Hello students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is reproduction. Okay, if you see this term, then it is made up of two terms, re and production. That means re is one term which means again, and production is meaning to generate or to produce. Okay, that means it is the process to produce again the same kind. Okay, that means we are producing thing which is already present in this world. Okay, that means reproduction is a process in which a living organism produces again a copy of its own kind. Getting my point? Means it is the process in which a living organism produces again a copy of its own kind. Okay, and if we see its types, then there are two types of reproduction. First one, that is asexual reproduction. If two types are there, obviously there are differences. And second is sexual reproduction. Means how many types? Two: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Got it? What is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction is the type of reproduction in which only one individual can give birth to new individual. Okay, that is asexual reproduction. What is in that? Only one individual can give birth to new individual. It means that this is amoeba. This amoeba, single amoeba I said, because we know that amoeba is unicellular organism. Okay, this unicellular amoeba can give rise to daughter amoebae. By which type of reproduction? Asexual reproduction, because only single cellular organism, only one organism, that is amoeba, can produce two daughter amoebae. This is parental amoeba, and these two are daughter amoebae. गॉट इट? यानी कि एक इंडिविजुअल के साथ में एक ही ऑर्गेनिज्म, एक ही पेरेंट जब रिप्रोडक्शन करता है तो उसे हम क्या कह देंगे? एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. और दूसरा कौन सा हो जाएगा? सेकेंड टाइप. ऑब्वियस सी बात है, सेक्सुअल. ये फॉर एग्जांपल है. ओके, सेक्सुअल reproduction. What is in this? Sexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, essentially involves two individuals. Okay, means in this type of reproduction there is need of two parents. Means two individuals are essentially required, and they produce, दूसरी बात क्या हो जाएगी? and they produce specialized cells What are those? Called gametes. Means there is lots of difference between the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction, but in a basic sense we can say asexual reproduction is that in which only one individual is required and there is two parents or two individuals need. Okay, so one thing is there, but when we will study both the processes, then we can say there is number of differences. Okay, if this asexual reproduction is taking place, okay, that means asexual reproduction in plants is known as vegetative propagation. That means vegetative propagation is asexual reproduction, but when it takes place in plants, then it is known as vegetative propagation. Vegetative parts of plants, what are the vegetative parts of plant? They are the buds, no buds, they are the leaves, roots, stem, branches, all are vegetative parts. Okay, if these parts are involved in the process of reproduction, in the process of formation of new plant, then this type of reproduction is known as vegetative propagation. Got it? Vegetative propagation. And vegetative parts, once again I am telling you, root, stem, leaves, branches, etc. Flower is not the vegetative part, bud is not the vegetative part. Okay, so if we see asexual reproduction in organisms, then it is of many types. Asexual reproduction types कौन कौन से हो जाएंगे? In next video I will explain all. First one is fission. Okay, कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? binary fission and multiple. वैसे तो बहुत सारे होते हैं, but for your sake and for our syllabus we are having major binary fission and multiple fission. Okay, binary fission example I am quoting here, amoeba, and multiple fission, plasmodium. Okay, then second type is budding. It is also a type of asexual reproduction, and budding takes place in yeast, that is unicellular fungus. And second आपका hydra, that is Coelenterata. Phylum Coelenterata का member कौन? Hydra. Okay, so fission, budding, two types. More types are there, like we can say spore formation, third type, spore formation. Spore formation, that is in this formation of spore takes place, and it is mainly present in bacteria and fungi. दिखाई नहीं, हाँ, बैक्टीरिया एंड फंजाई. आपकी बुक में जो एनसीईआरटी में दे रखा है दैट इज rhizopus, an example of fungi, and this rhizopus is also known as bread mold. Got it? Clear? And detail we will study in next video. Detail we will study definitely. Fourth one is regeneration, and regeneration is the process in which the morphogenesis, differentiation of tissues takes place, and it occurs in lower organisms like अगर एनसीईआरटी के हिसाब से चले तो हाइड्रा, सीलेंट्रेट है, ठीक है ना। एंड प्लेनेरिया, these are the examples of regeneration, hydra and planaria. If we see vegetative propagation, then you have to see it in next video. Okay, so in this video I have given only outline sketch of the asexual reproduction. In next video I am going to share the detail of these types. Got it? चलो, तो अभी इसको स्टडी करो, उसके बाद हम दोबारा मिलते हैं with the next video. Okay, bye.